Okay, ma'am.
Forgot to record. So these are in symbiotic relation. This is Rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plants. What does this Rhizobium bacteria does? Rhizobium bacteria live in the roots of these plants. Okay. So how does the nitrogen come to the soil? Through the rain. Okay. I think I explained once how the plants get nitrogen. Clear? So what they do? During the rainy season, nitrogen mixed with water and it will fall on the soil. Then it will be in the form of a compound. It will be mixture of a nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, because water is the mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. So when
Yes, ma'am.
nitrogen fall with it, it will become nitrogen,
Mix.
oxygen, hydrogen included. So the plants have to take the nitrogen from the soil alone. So that they cannot do. They cannot undo the chemical reaction. This Rhizobium bacteria, what they do, they will work and they will separate nitrogen from the water and from the soil, and it will carry it to the plants through the roots. So the leguminous plants will give the nutrients which is required by the Rhizobium, and Rhizobium carry this nitrogen through the roots to the leguminous plants. So they are in symbiotic relationship.
Relationship.
At the same time, this is how nitrogen is found, or it is nitrogen has been given to the plants.
Ma'am,
Okay.
so farmers don't need to give extra nitrogen.
Now, extra nitrogen for leguminous plants, there is no need of giving extra nitrogen. Okay. Kanish,
Ma'am, so
can
do
you
these
read?
plants...
Can you read this? What I have written? Can you read this, which is written in the white thing? Read.
And the nitrogen fixing bacteria.
Yes. From there onwards.
Nitrogen fixing bacteria live in roots of leguminous plants and form root nodules. This is a
Nodules.
symbiotic relationship between them.
Mm.
The nitrogen fixing bacteria help in the nitrogen fixation or conversion of atmosphere nitrogen into forms usable by the plants. Hence, they restore the
Nutrition from the soil. Okay. So where do this Rhizobium live? In the roots
Ma'am, on
of
the roots
leguminous.
of plants.
And what do you mean by root nodules? How do they live in the root node? That is, I'm going to show you. Have you seen those children? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
See? Yes.
Yes,
These are
ma'am.
the roots of Rhizobium. Can you see this round thing bulging out in every
Yes,
roots
ma'am.
of this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Actually,
ma'am.
this is the
Yes.
Rhizobium. Rhizobium is injecting inside and it is making a nitrogen fixing on the roots. Okay, you must have seen if you pluck any of these plants, and if you have a plant, don't pluck the bigger one because maybe your father or grandfather may be planted. If you take a small of these leguminous plants, if it you
Ma'am,
have
there is a
at home,
leguminous plant in my house. I've seen like lumps coming out of it when I
that is the
plugged
one.
it.
So if you pluck it there, you can see this kind of lumps. This is known as lumps. Lumps means whenever you get a hit on your head and all, you can see there's a lump is formed on your head. So like that. So what this bacteria can infect the roots of leguminous plants, leading to the formation of lumps or nodules. So this is known as nodules. Okay. They
Okay,
infect
ma'am.
the roots of leguminous. And
Ma'am, this
Ma'am, so
ma'am,
is
this
there
would
any...
be seen outside the soil.
if the root is coming out, you will be seen. If the root is coming out. Actually,
Ma'am,
this is under the mud. This is happening. Okay.
ma'am, so
Okay,
does
ma'am.
this
And
infection...
where the nitrogen fixation takes place. So suppose you pluck a leguminous plant from the root, from underneath, you will see these nodules. If it is grown, small nodules. So
Ma'am,
they make the nodules and there is actually nitrogen is stored for the plants. How do we infect? Infect means Rhizobium inject himself.
Ma'am, so does this infection have any problem for the plant? Like,
No,
is there
no.
any problem?
Infect means they are getting injected into the roots by themselves. Nowadays, you know, vaccination. What do you mean
Yes,
by the
ma'am.
word vaccination?
Ma'am, giving the like small, giving a. Ma'am, it's actually like something like a chemical or something given to the white blood cells so that they can fight the virus.
It's not a chemical. It is in the form of a chemical. Actually, it is another virus. Okay, corona
Ma'am,
is a virus.
similar to
It is
corona.
the another virus getting injected to your body.
Ma'am,
Another
it is a very
virus
small
which
version.
will, yes, another virus which will defeat the coronavirus so that our body will get a immunity. You have done TTR, no? When you are in small. I'll do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have done polio vaccination.
Yes,
You also
ma'am.
have
Yes,
done,
ma'am.
yeah, tetanus vaccination. Everything
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have done.
Yes.
Actually, what is vaccination? Injecting another virus which can defeat the virus of fever, virus of polio, infection, all those things. So this is where the rhizobium also inject to the root by themselves and they will bulge and they will store the nitrogen in that nodules. That is why it is bulging out. So whenever
Okay,
the
ma'am.
plants require, they will make use of this nitrogen with the help of rhizobium.
Ma'am,
So
so
this-
does the plant in return give nutrients to the
Yes,
rhizobium?
That's it. Rhizobium is living there. Okay. If the leguminous plants die, rhizobium cannot stay there. And this rhizobium only stay on leguminous plants. They don't stay on other plants. Got it? So that is the
Yes, ma'am.
replenishing of rhizobium. So I repeat once again, the bacteria can infect the roots of leguminous plants, leading to the formation of lumps or nodules where the nitrogen fixation takes place. So nitrogen is stored in the lumps. About 90% of legume species can become nodulated. Legume species means all type of this type of
Leguminous
plants.
plants.
Yeah, beans and different types of peas, chana, then we have moong dal. All these are living, all these are producing very good crop if there are rhizobium. So nitrogen is important and nitrogen also important for our body. So once you have this vegetable, you also getting in your body nitrogen. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that is about the replenishing. And this is also another leguminous plants which is taken the picture in the dark with the microscope. That is why this picture you can see a little more beautifully. Okay, so some of them are taken like that. Clear? Yes. So nitrogen fixation is another picture. You can see gold. In the previous picture, you have seen a little more lengthwise. Here it is given as a this one. Okay, small balls. So this is how repollution taking place. So I think we have done with this chapter. Let me check whether we have done all the
Excuse me,
points.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show the before slide?
Yes.
Maybe we can audit that.
Yeah, you can note it down. Because since there is time, you can note it down. So this is how. So you can write it down what I underlined.
Ma'am, in the exam, it would show the we have to draw a figure of
Oh,
a.
no. This is
Rhozobium?
only for you to understand. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am, this is the small version. Does the nodules becomes more bigger?
No. They will only remain just like a lumps. Okay.
Ma'am, it becomes say small like this.
It will be remain small only. Like a small balls like structure. You will able to see that if you pluck some of the roots. Okay. You will
Okay,
see
ma'am.
this kind of a growth on that.
Ma'am, can you underline?
Okay. This bacteria infect the roots of, where they see infect the roots of leguminous plants, leading to the formation of lumps or nodules where nitrogen fixation takes place. That's more important. And how many? 90% of legume species can become nodelets. This is for only one word answers, not in much detail. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you show the before slide?
Let them complete that, then I can show others. Because
Okay, ma'am.
have you complete all of it, then I can show the previous slide.
Okay, ma'am.
What type of nutrition these leguminous plants have? What mode of nutrition?
Ma'am,
Leguminous-
symbiotic relationship.
Yes, you can write the example. Leguminous plants and rhizobium. Example for another symbiotic
Relationship.
relationship. So all the pulses are obtained from leguminous plants, and all the pulses will have the rhizobium on their roots.
And finish, ma'am, can.
Okay, shall I show you the previous one? Yeah, this one. So same thing, the same thing only. You don't have to rewrite again this. Only you understand where does
We can't hear you.
Ismail, can you please stop the recording?